Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account tied to your searches. This ensures you access the correct activity. Once signed in, tap your avatar in the upper right and choose Manage your Google account. Then move to Data and Privacy. This section controls what Google stores. You want to find Web and App Activity. It's the setting that logs searches. Make sure it's enabled if you expect historical entries. If it was off, there may be limited or no history available. Once you're in Web and App Activity, open My Activity to reveal your recorded searches in chronological order. You can filter results by date range, choose product and select search, or enter keywords to narrow results quickly. When you see items, tap any entry to expand details. You'll see time, query text, and device information if available. You can delete single entries here, so make sure to confirm removal. This is useful when you want to keep history only for certain periods. To finish, decide whether to manage or remove history. Use delete options to remove the last hour, a custom range, or all time. Once done, consider turning on auto delete and choose 3, 18, or 36 months so history expires automatically. This reduces manual cleanup. If you need a copy, use Google Takeout to export your activity. If entries are missing, make sure Web and App Activity was enabled previously and that you're signed in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.